mean, China's wiping out that industry, but we don't talk about that because it's not something in Washington that's the focus. Donald Trump is the focus.
That is true. After the Iowa State Fair this weekend, giving helicopter rides to locals, he definitely lit up the State Fair. And people talking about his immigration platform today. There's the opening bell and a look at the S&P at the bottom of your screen. At the big board today, the New York Air Show at Stewart International Airport, August 29th and 30th. Over at the NASDAQ, the New York Hall of Science, providing students a hands-on science education. You mentioned Micron, Jim. That's going to be a quick loser at the Open.
Yeah, Bank of America subsequently got the